Okay, you guys, for this video, I'm introducing you to a triplex, completely vacant. It's a new build, built in 2026, so doesn't follow the rent control, which is good. Now, the rent's $7,300 total. There's a 3-2 I'm going to show you. There's a 2-1, and there's also a studio. They all have air conditioning and washer and dryer. This might be a steal, listed $998. Let's go take a look. Man, it brings in $7,300. Let's go take a look at it. So as you can see here, you enter. This is the dining room slash living room. Upon entry, you do have washer and dryer. You come this way, completely updated kitchen. It's very bright in here. As you can see, they have a skylight up here. They also have a skylight in the hallway. So very bright and airy. Here's another view of the living room. Updated kitchen. You have vinyl laminate flooring. Here's bathroom number 1, completely updated. Here's room number 1, and this is the primary, or AKA we used to call this the master. And then you have a sizable closet. And again, this is listed at $998. And what's really interesting is that every room has an AC, which is different for Oakland. I don't see that a lot. But in saying this is a new build, they may have had to add these air conditions, as you can see right there. But here's another room. And then here's room 3. Again, it has an AC unit. Nice size room, not as big as the primary, but it's not small either. As we walk back through the primary, the shared bathroom, the kitchen, and the living slash dining room. Now, and it's listed again at $998. Now let's go see the other 2 units. Again, we're gonna go take a look at, this unit right here, you could probably rent out, we wanna say for $3,300 is what we're thinking. Let's go take a look at the other property. The other units. You step down here. Let me show you guys the outside. We're on 26th Street in Oakland. That's a completely renovated Victorian. It's considered a new build. So you enter the studio here. Bathroom. Oh, turn the lights on for you. Here's the bathroom. Again, completely updated. Studio. So this is all you're gonna get here. And for the studio, I'm thinking $1,500 for this studio. And again, it has AC. So small studio, and it has a combined washer dryer there. Updated appliances, shaker cabinets, granite countertops, but it's just a studio. A little over 600 square feet here. And then the third, or they're calling this a JADU because it's within the square footage. And then the third here is actually the 1-bedroom. Updated, as you can see. Washer and dryer in unit. Bathroom 1. There's bathroom 1. Pretty identical to the others. Here's room 1. Another AC unit. I see these in the Philippines a lot. I don't see them much here. And then the last room. Okay. So now that you've seen the property, let me show you the back shared area. back here. As you can see, they have the concrete blocks for you to walk back. Not a large back area. You have the 2 water heaters there. You have the air conditioning units there. And what we're gonna do now is let's just go over the numbers. Like I said, this brings in $7,300. Looks like there could be some storage here. Oh, okay. With there's no garage. Parking is gonna be out here. And they actually put the, not the trash bin, but the bin for yard work. Skipping what that's actually called, I'm sorry. But let's go over the numbers. Let's go walk back up. As you can see, here's the neighborhood. Oh, there you go. Here's the neighborhood. Older Victorians, again, this is West Oakland. And let's go over the numbers here, guys. And this is, we're gonna say this is $1 million. A triplex for $1 million. All right. Okay, now let's go over the numbers. Bear with me for a bit. We're gonna base this off of $1 million. All right, $1 million. We're gonna put 20% down. That'll be $200,000. We're gonna put down. If our rate is at say 6.3, our payment is $5,982. Let's say our payment is $6,000. It brings in $7,300. So if you weren't gonna live in one of these units and just rent it out, putting 20% down at $1 million, this does make sense. If you guys want to tour this property, let me know. This could be a nice one. It's one of the only vacant triplexes I see on the market, and completely redone. It's a new build. This may be worth taking a look. Call me, text me, let's tour. Call Jerry. On to the next one.